Besides books, you can also borrow instruments and board games and STEM kits and storytime kits from your library. This is a storytime kit for yoga and mindfulness, and it comes with different activities like this cute little yoga game with poses that you put into the cube, roll the time dice, find the matching timer, and hold the poses. Little, middle, and big kids that I worked with all liked this little kit this week, and they all agreed that out of all the books in the kit, the last one in here was their favorite. They're all good books, but the last one has some fun rhythm and rhyme patterns to the story, and it has some good images to know how to hold the different poses and just some fun pictures. And we just really liked this kit, so we thought we would share it with you.